Hello students, this is Dr. Sourav's class. We are now solving a mathematics problem from our UPSC Mathematics Optional Paper, Paper 1. And then the problem tells us to find the orthogonal trajectories of the families of curve whose equation is r equals to c sec theta plus tan theta, then where c is a parameter. Okay, so what can be done? So firstly, we are noting the given equation. Yeah, so our given equation of the trajectories of the families of curves are r equals to c plus c sec theta plus tan theta. Okay, now what can be done? Now we have to take the derivative with, sorry, we are noting this also. Our sec theta plus tan theta is equals to r by c. Okay, now we are taking the derivative of this equation, with respect to wrt theta. Then what will we get? Then we will get that dr d theta equals to our, what we get that c, and the derivative of sec theta will be sec theta tan theta, and our plus it tan theta's derivative is sec square theta, we know that, and so our c sec theta will be taken common from this. Okay, then what will happen? Then the outer terms are sec theta plus tan theta. Okay, now as we noted that, see, draw, I am changing my color now. So this was one. So by using 1 we get equals to c sec theta, and it is r by c, and it will be c cross, then it is r sec theta. This is r sec theta. Now our dr d theta is r sec theta. So we got the derivative of theta, derivative of r with respect to theta is our r sec theta. Okay, now subsequently we know that, sorry, draw, yeah, okay, subsequently we know that this is true. R minus r square d theta dr equals to dr d theta. Very vibrant color, I like it. Okay, so by using it we can write that r square, sorry, yeah, okay, r square d theta dr will equals to now our r sec theta. Now our r and r square will cut out, will cancel out. Then we will get, and we are taking the theta side in our left hand side and r in our right hand side. Then what will happen? Then we have to integrate them. Yeah, okay, I am, yeah, then what we will get? Then we will get integral of cos theta d theta. As we know that sec theta is the inverse of cos theta, so we get here dr by r Then the integration of cos theta, we all know that it is minus sine theta, and here we get ln r plus some constant, arbitrary constant, let me see. Okay, then what will happen? Then it will be e to the power minus sine theta, and sorry, this is a typo. It will be sine theta, e to the power minus sine theta, and it is the constant, be anything. Okay, I can write it also this will help us. Okay, so it will be RC. Then our R will be e to the power minus sine theta by C. That can be written, that can be used by another variable which we C dash. So this is the family of curves which is required answer for this question, and which are the orthogonal to our given curves. Okay, and where C is the parameter, our our constant is, here our parameter is C dash. So hope you understood. Thank you guys.